In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Jailbreak on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily access Jailbreak on Roblox mobile. To find this experience, all that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox on any mobile device and use the search function. By using the search function, you will be able to look for Jailbreak. When you look for a jailbreak, a bunch of experiences are going to pop up, but the only one that you should look for is this one at the top. As you can see, it is made by a verified user titled Badimo, and you will be able to notice that it has more than 6 million likes. So this is going to be the official jailbreak experience. All that you have to do now is tap the option to join. You can either join a public server or go into the private servers, whatever you prefer. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and join. Once you join the experience, everything should load in, just give it time, and now you are ready to play Jailbreak. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail about how to play and what your objective is. I recommend that you look it up on your own time, but after everything loads, you will have access to all of the menu. You can see your garage, you can switch teams over here, see your money, and there's a lot of options to play Jailbreak on mobile. It is going to be the exact same experience across all platforms, and after you join, you are good to go. Like I said, I cannot give you clear instructions on your objective and what to do, but you will be able to choose between the two teams and you can play however you like. It is super fun and you can find it on any mobile version, any device, so either a tablet, an iPad, iOS device, Android phone, whatever you have, and you will be able to play Jailbreak in there. It should be playable on any platform, and you will be able to join alone, with a friend, and however you prefer to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Jailbreak on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.